Coastal erosion has been called a silent killer, taking away life on our Gulf Coast beaches. Today, some Gulf Shore students said, not in our backyard. They're taking steps to save their shores and teach those even younger than them how important beach restoration is.
It was class on the beach today. 38 Gulf Shore's middle and high school students putting what they've been learning in the traditional classroom setting to the test.
Where the students have been learning about the dune ecosystem and the ecology of Alabama's coastline.
They've been learning what causes our beaches to erode and what needs to be done to protect them.
Took some donated Christmas trees to build this structure, and we're planting for protection.
This native dune building vegetation will be the first line of protection from natural disasters like hurricanes. Along with planting, the student ambassadors are teaching some elementary school students what they've learned to get them excited about protecting their community beaches as well.
To raise the next generation of coastal stewards, kids who are excited and passionate about our native dune ecosystem, and I hope to pass that message along.
And what better way to learn than hands-on?
Get out of the classroom, learn a little bit, get to know a lot of cool, fun people, and I think all around this was just an amazing and very wholesome experience.
Dune Doctors and Gulf Shore City Schools team up every year for this Planting for Protection project to help preserve the Gulf Coast beaches.